All right, we back once again. Stick with me here. We're going to talk about the T scalpers indicator. That's all you need to scalp futures is to have this indicator. So basically, super easy, very, very simple method to scalp futures is essentially go to the 1 minute chart, set this puppy on the 5 minutes, just leave everything else as is. This right here, you know, I think it's 99 bucks a month to have the T levels subscription. Go to the link in the description for that. Free trial, 7 days. But go test this one out. This one right here, this will make you $100 a day, because all you need is one contract of a micro E-mini. That's $5. You only need 20 points. So it's very, very simple with the markets that we have right now to scalp 20 points. So I'm going to show you essentially 1, 2, 3 step on how to do this. First step, wait for a green candle. Second step, wait for ribbon confirmation. Okay. Third step, be above or below the cloud. And fifth step, fourth step, set a stop. Okay. Very, very simple stuff here. Okay, so right now, you know, we're basically, all we're doing is this T scalpers is going to give you a red candle when you're bearish. If you're below the ribbon, okay, and you're below the cloud, you have essentially a trade setup. Okay, that would be a valid trade scalp. If you've got white candles, no trade. If you're in the band, no trade. If you're in the cloud, no trade. If the candle's green and you're underneath the cloud, no trade. All you're basically doing is sitting here waiting for the market to tell you when to buy and when to sell. And right now we're in a situation where we're in the cloud. We've got a green band and we've got green candles, but the cloud essentially, because we're in the cloud, essentially invalidates the signal right now. Now we could go long, you know, who knows? Does it break out of the cloud? Doesn't matter, because the rules essentially are going to state that you cannot be in this trade. Now maybe if you're more of an advanced trader and that kind of thing, but I'm talking about if you're new to trading and you want to get, you know, start making some money, then this is going to be about as easy as it gets. Why? Because your stop loss is going to be really small. Okay, you want to make your stop loss in E-mini futures, you know, essentially like 5 points, 4 points, something like that. Okay, trade one contract to start off with, and essentially, you know, make sure you have that stop set, and then you set a target that's 1.5 or 2 times whatever your stop loss is. And in this case, your stop loss is essentially going to be this ribbon band. Okay, so say you take this trade short here. Okay, we go short, say it's on this candle. So our entry point is like 37, 38-ish or something like that. So your stop loss is essentially going to be, you're going to trail it either right above the ribbon until you hit a target. So if our stop loss here is 40 and we entered in at 38, then our target is going to be either 2 points away or 3 points away, depending on how many contracts you have. You do 4 points away, 6 points away, or you could go with like a 5-to-1 risk. You can go 10 points away, go to 28. And you can kind of see this is sort of the method in the madness for everybody else too, because they're doing the same thing. Everybody else is managing the risk based on, you know, they're managing their targets based on the risk. So one thing that essentially what could happen with this indicator is as it gets updated and improved, they could add in stop loss indications and target prices, and you can set your risk and reward and that kind of stuff. But that stuff will come later. But if you're a new trader, essentially you're just looking for this. You're looking for, you know, the candlestick to line up, the ribbon to line up, and the cloud to line up. And then you set your risk and you let the trade play out. That's really is as easy as it gets. So hopefully this helps you a little bit get started with that indicator. In the description is a free trial. Please go check it out and use it. Hopefully you can make some money with it. Also, there's a link to Apex, which is a funded challenge firm. Well, you can pay like $80 a month with my discount code, and get access to trade a $25,000 account. And I would say get that account and start trading these micro e-minis, because essentially it's $5 per point and you can day trade all you want. So if you're trading options right now and you're new, I would suggest try trading futures a little bit before you get into options. Take it from me, I've been doing this for a long time, and yeah, you'll have a lot easier time trading. You won't get blown out as easy, and also you're trading with other people's money as well. So hopefully you like this video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.